Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to be going over more replacement parts for the Titanic. So for this, you're going to need your issue 58. You're going to need kit 38. And then the first thing that we're going to be going over, this is more replacement vents. So, wooden decking, first vent. Okay, that one. Which is on the other side. So, which one of these vents? Not that one. Has to be this one. Yeah, it's that one. Alright. So this is the part that you received with agora and hachette. And I'm going to have to turn the ship around because this is on the other side. So turn her around. Ow. I accidentally hit the light. I'm doing good. No, luckily nothing broke, so that's good. Okay, so we're going right here. We're going right here to this side of the deck. And we got this vent that is right there. The only thing you can tell difference-wise is the height. Well, the vent fell. Go figure. Come back here. Okay. So, like I said, you can tell the height, but there's the detail in the new vent versus the old vent. And I'm also going to go ahead and do the detail on this side since I'm already on this side. So, also, this is the kit supplied piece from Agora and Hachette. And this versus, let me move this davit, versus the new. So we got those done. I'm going to put this davit back onto the ship. Now we're going to go to the other side. Well, wait a minute here. I almost made a boo-boo. There's another vent right back here towards the back. We're going to go over that one since I'm on this side already. So here's the kit supplied piece from Agora and Hachette. And right here is the old versus the new. I'm trying to butt it up against this. Maybe the bench will hold it. There we go. There's the old. And there's the new. Let me see if I can get some good detail of this. She's kind of hard to maneuver because she's so long. There we go. There's the detail. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to turn to the other side. So let's remove that. We went over that. Turn to the other side, which is one last vent, which is right there. And we're doing, here is the kit supplied piece from Agora and Hachette. Set that there. All right, davit. There you go. Old versus the new. Set this back over here. Put the davit back on. And that should be it for the upgraded parts. which it is. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times, and you all have a blessed one, and when I come back, we'll be going over more upgraded parts. But until then, goodbye.